Welcome! In this tutorial, we're going to go through how to link cells in different Excel spreadsheets. You'll be able to use data from a different spreadsheet located within the same workbook in a single file, but also from a spreadsheet which is a part of a completely different Excel file. Ready to crack on? To link cells within a single workbook, you need to select the cell where you'd like to show the information from the other spreadsheet first. Here, we'll click into C4, which is the cell where we want to display the sales for Q1. Let's enter the equal sign, and now we need to open the spreadsheet with the information we want to show in this cell. So we'll go down here and click on the sheet Sales West, which contains all the details of the Western region sales for individual quarters. Since we want to show only the total for Q1, we'll click on the cell C8, press Enter, and that's it. The cell C4 in the spreadsheet Totals West shows the data from the spreadsheet Sales West. If we click into the cell C4 now, we can see the formula behind this link that Excel's made. There's the equal sign, and after that Excel uses single quotation marks with the spreadsheet name from which we're taking the data, Sales West. Then there's an exclamation mark followed by the coordinates of the cell that contains the information we're using, which is C8. Here's one thing worth mentioning though. There's a little trick which can help you transfer data from other quarters from the spreadsheet Sales West to the rest of the cells in this row in no time at all. The link can simply be copied by dragging the lower right corner of the cell where we've already got the formula through the rest of the quarters. Of course, the formulas with the links works dynamically, which means if we make a change in the spreadsheet Sales West, for example, we'll change John's sales figure for Q1. The total of sales for Q1 will update, and this change will be reflected in the sheet containing the link Totals West. Now, let's move on and have a look at how to link cells in different spreadsheets located in separate Excel files. As an example, we'll use this folder with 3 different Excel files. The files with the sales figures for the region West and East, and the file for totals that summarizes all data. Let's open all 3 of them at once, and let's click into the file containing the totals for all sales. In this spreadsheet, we're going to make links to the data from both regions for all 4 quarters stored in separate Excel files. To do that, click into the selected cell, enter the equal sign, but to make links to a different Excel file, you need to go to the tab view and select the option Switch Windows. You'll be provided with the list of currently open files. Select Sales West to view this workbook. Here, we want to use the data for Q1, so click on the cell C4, press Enter, and here we go. Excel navigated back to the file Sales Totals and included the Q1 value from the file Sales West into the cell C4 just as we wanted. Let's just give it a quick check. When we click into C4 and have a look at the formula, we'll see how Excel makes links between 2 files. It's slightly different from what we did a while ago when we made links within one workbook. First, there's the equal sign, but after that, there comes the file name in square brackets, along with the name of the sheet, all within single quotes, followed by the reference to the cell containing the information we want to display here. However, if we wanted to copy this formula through all quarters here, we wouldn't be successful. You can see that the reference to the cell C4 contains these $signs. This means that the cell reference is absolute, it's fixed, and the copied formulas would contain the reference only to this particular cell, which we actually don't want. For now, we'll remove these $signs, and if you'd like to know more on how an absolute cell reference works, you can have a look at the video tutorial on how to use absolute cell reference in Excel. We've included the link to this tutorial in the description below. Once we've removed the $signs, we can press Enter and copy the formula by dragging the lower right corner of the cell across all quarters. And we can repeat these steps to transfer the data from the file Sales East to the file with the totals like this. There we go. We're quite sure you'll find these 2 simple and easy ways to link cells in different Excel spreadsheets handy and helpful.